Flies are a year-round problem. That means you need a year-round solution that you can rely on. They present a massive hygiene risk, spreading germs and diseases such as scarlet fever, dysentery and typhoid, and they can even carry the eggs of intestinal worms. Xterminate electric fly killers will protect you from flies and the germs they carry all day, every day. They're perfect for homes and workplaces. We've been making the UK's favourite fly killers since 2003, helping homes and businesses just like yours stay clean and pest-free. With extra powerful UV bulbs, these fly killers offer maximum coverage over a wide area, so they're great for larger rooms. And thanks to a unique open-top design, you get true 360-degree coverage. This amazing performance means you can rely on our electric fly killer to deal with a wide range of flying pests. Make the most out of your fly killer by placing it high up so its UV rays can spread across the whole room. If you can't find anything to place your unit on, don't worry. Each one comes with a free hanging chain, so you can hang it from the ceiling. You can flip the power on and off without leaving your seat thanks to its remote control. This means you can install your fly killer as high up as you like. You don't need to worry about reaching it. It's perfect for day-to-day use as it's easy to clean and maintain. Each model comes with an extra deep catching tray and a free cleaning brush for improved hygiene. Just remove the tray, brush it clean and slot it into place. There are 3 models to choose from, going up to 40 watts in power. The 40-watt model is great if you want to keep flies out of a very large or very bright room, such as a conservatory. Each model is made from impact-resistant ABS plastic and built to last, so you can install them almost anywhere. Replacement bulbs are always available. You should replace the bulbs every 12 months to keep your fly killer running at peak performance. Don't let flies ruin your day. Join thousands of happy customers and protect yourself with the electric fly killer you can always rely on.